Welcome to Egger Lexington, located in central North Carolina in the southeastern United States. And thanks for choosing to take a look behind the scenes. Egger Lexington is part of the wider Egger Group, an Austrian-based family-owned company founded in 1961 by Fritz Egger Sr. The company is owned today by his sons, Fritz Egger Jr. and Michael Egger, and is one of Europe's largest wood-based manufacturers. Egger is made up of 20 plants located in Austria, Germany, Poland, Russia, Turkey, the United Kingdom, France, and Argentina, along with 26 sales offices across the globe and more than 10,000 employees. Egger Lexington is the company's first facility in North America. Here, we produce particleboard and thermally fused laminate, or TFL, used to create furniture and interior design surfaces. Production began in 2020. As a group, Egger produces laminates, edge banding, decorative flooring, OSB, MDF, and even beer.